And of course I guess it's open. It's just, I was riding it today, I was driving, and I came home and I cut it off, and I decided I need to go back to the store, tried to turn it on, and
it wouldn't do anything?
That's strange, huh?
Yeah,
because I've been driving around for a minute.
Let's see. Oh, sorry.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, that's strange. You don't have any power. Okay.
And then earlier today I came out here and I did the door locks and they worked, but now nothing.
Yeah, you don't have any power.
It's got to be the battery, right?
Yeah, it could be a loose connection though. Let's check everything first.
Well, I got to work, so I'll be back out here in a minute.
Okay. Yeah, it was a loose connection. That's all it was. I tightened both of them, though they were both kind of loose. So you should be good to go. Yes, ma'am, you're welcome. Do you want to leave it running, or you want to come and get the keys? Yeah, I stopped it and started it, stopped it and started it. Yes, ma'am.